Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Today we are going to the Dollar Tree to shop for some items that I want to use to make a Halloween junk journal. So go ahead and come along with me. So we walk in and right away there is an awesome section of Halloween goodies. All kinds of things. There's door cling or window clings, all kinds of decorations. I love all these wood items here that you could use to either just decorate as is, or you could remake them, paint them, and do whatever you want with them. There's this section here that has some like bones. There's lanterns, home decor type items. Lots of different glass items. On this side there are cupcake and items here. I picked up that cupcake kit there to use in my junk journal. I thought those were really cute. Here are the Day of the Dead items. I like this tea towel right here, the one with the pumpkin, so I picked up one of those. I'm going to use that in one of my journals. They had several other ones as well that I thought were cute. That one was adorable. That's not the theme I was going for, but I would have picked that up if I wanted. And then they also had those other towels too that were really cute. That one is adorable. I love the vintage trucks. I picked up these treat bags, so I'm going to use that in my journal. Stick around to see how I use them. There's all kinds of party favors. And then they had all these cute little shopping bags. I picked up the set down there with the ghosts on them. I wanted to use those for the pages in my journal. And now we're making our way through here. I came over and there were some coloring books and stickers. So I picked out one of the books. It was The House on Haunted Hill. And I'm going to use that in my journal. There's just some really cute pictures in here. I also included some vintage book pages in my Halloween journal that I had from some Halloween books. They had coloring books as well, but I didn't find any that I really liked or that were like, the pictures were too big. They have lots of different ribbons, so I picked out a couple here that I thought would go really well. I love the pumpkin one there, the black background. This one was really cute too. But I ended up picking that pattern up in the smaller size, and then I picked this one up. That you could use for a belly band, or you could cut out the pumpkins. So I'm going to do both of them. And then they have all these wood items. I picked up the wood pumpkins. I plan on probably putting one of those on one of the covers. Sorry about my finger there. And then they had these cute felt little pumpkins. Well, that one I didn't pick up. I did pick up one that has bats and pumpkins and ghosts. That one had the witch hats and the little witch feet, so those were really cute. You could probably make charms out of those little bones. Just an idea. And then those are really cute. You could make charms out of those as well. They're little potion bottles. Lots of fun crafty kits there. I love this. This is just a scrapbook cut apart, so I picked up one of those that has 2 sheets in it. It has lots of titles and then just different images that you can use throughout your junk journal. And then I picked up one of these rub-on transfers. I love using those just on like blank pieces of paper in the book, just as more embellishments. Then I went into the regular craft section to see what I could find. I found this orange and white gingham ribbon that I picked up, and then I also found a black and white. So I'll include those in my journal. And then I looked over in the other crafty section. I wanted to see if there were any fabrics. I didn't see any Halloween fabrics in that other section, but I do find some in a different store, which I think you'll see towards the end of this video. Then I was looking at the beads. They had black and white, but not any orange. But I decided not to use beads on this. You'll see what I do as far as like making a charm later on in the next video. And then I went to the sticker section to see what was here. They had lots of choices. I could have used those black stickers, the chalk ones, and you could decorate those with other Halloween stickers or the rub-on transfers, but I decided not to pick those up because I remembered I had lots of those at home. And I thought these were really cute. These letters totally could go with a Halloween theme if you wanted to spell something out on a page. I love all the layered stickers here. I didn't find any that I wanted at that time, but there's lots of them. Lots of fall and leaves and flowers. Alright, now I'm taking another peek, or actually this is at a different store. Those were really cute stickers there. Those were adorable with the googly eyes. And here are the Halloween fabrics. I picked up the cat ones, the ones that have all the different patterns, and then the candy corn. And I just love all of these. And I'll show you in my haul what they look like. They're just super adorable, and I think the fabric is a good quality fabric. They are fat quarters, so it's like a quarter of a yard. Now moving along to the other crafting section. First I'm going to stop at the Halloween cards. The other store did not have Halloween cards in, so I thought I would pick one that I could maybe use on the cover or one of the covers. They had some super cute, but they had super cute Disney, but I found that really cute one with the cat. I looked at the other ones, but I didn't see any that I really wanted to use on a cover. But I also can use the orange envelope in the journal. And then I went into the other crafting section of this store. I found these black chalkboard tags. They had this rectangular and the circle, so I picked up those two. So I can alter the tags for in the journals. I'm really impressed with all of the wood items that they have at the Dollar Tree now. Alright, so I wanted to show you the things that I picked up that I plan on hopefully including in the book itself. So I found this really cute card. I thought I could cut apart maybe and then definitely use the envelope in my journal. So I thought that was cute. I found these treat bags. I found rub-on transfers, and you may or may not have seen all of these in my shop with me, but I did go to 2 different Dollar Tree stores to find what I found. So there's rub-on transfers. I found these cool journaling cards. I don't know if they're cut apart already or if I need to cut them apart myself. Let me check. So looks like I have to do the cutting apart on these, which is fine. You just do fussy cutting. So I thought those were really cute. I could also use these here as well, just cut around for little tiny pieces. I thought maybe I could use this. I haven't decided. I found this first before I found the fabrics at the other store, so it just depends on what I end up doing. But I loved all these. The candy cane, or not candy cane, but candy corn, and this print here. It's kind of cool. I can even cut apart pieces of these to make tuck spots or pockets, or use them on a tag. So I thought that was really cute. And then this one is just the black cat. So I thought that was really adorable. I found 2 different Halloweens that I liked. There were several Halloween ribbons that you could buy, but I liked these 2 because I could either use the larger for a belly band or just cut out the images. And then I also picked up an orange and black gingham print that I thought would go well with it. I picked up these felt stickers, and I've had these before of different kinds. I'm not sure if they seemed like new for this year, but these are great for making altered paper clips or just adding them on your cover or on the page, whatever. So that's those. Of course, I can use the packaging on these because it has the spider with the cobweb and the jack-o'-lantern there. I picked up these little bags. I thought they'd be great as patterned paper within the book, or you could use them to make a cover. I haven't decided how I'm going to do my cover yet, but we'll see. Picked up these chalkboard tags. They're black. I can embellish them with different ribbon at the top and put some of the rub-on transfers on there or any of the stickers. And then I have these DIY stickers. I thought they were cool with all the glitter on them. They're wood. And then I found this cute book, The House on Haunted Hill. Thought that was adorable to use within the book. And then lastly, I found this cupcake kit. So I can use these as stickers on the pages, cut this or flatten them out and put those on the page as well. Use this, of course, like all these pieces here. So yeah, and I'll just include, I have regular lined paper and manuscript paper, all the basic kind of stuff that you can pick up at the Dollar Tree. I'll include in this, note cards, you know, things that I have in my stash. So yeah, go ahead and follow. I don't know how many videos after this I'll make. Probably just like a process and then maybe a flip through when I'm done with everything. But I also have other, like my Barbie journal right now, and also my bee themed that I need to do a final video through. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and yeah, follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Creative Crafticality. And if you are subscribed here, you'll get notifications when I put my next video out. So I'll talk to you later. God bless. Bye.